ವನದೇವಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಂದನೆ ಹೇಗಂತ ಮಾಡಲಿ ವರ್ಣನೆ.
Environment, the first thing that comes to our mind is nature. But our human activities are causing harm to the nature, like global warming, pollutions, greenhouse effect, deforestation, and so on.
Deforestation and plant trees. Trees are natural filters of air that absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. By cutting down trees, we deprive animals of their natural environment and soil erosion. Save earth, save life. Thank you.
ವನದೇವಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಂದನೆ ಹೇಗಂತ ಮಾಡಲಿ ವರ್ಣನೆ. ಮನಸೂರೆ ಮಾಡಬಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವರ್ಗನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.